In this video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock the boss rush in Dead Cells. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to find the boss rush as an alternative game mode in the starting area of the prisoner's quarters. So, in this mode, you will be able to fight bosses back to back with items that you will receive throughout the trials without having to travel through the regular biomes. It has 4 trials with only the first being unlocked at the start. When you complete a trial, you will unlock the next one. So to access this boss rush, you will need to encounter at least 3 bosses. So the bare minimum for you to unlock it initially is going to be finding 3 bosses. One needs to be a tier 1 boss, another one needs to be tier 2, and finally a tier 3 boss. If you want to access the 3rd and 4th trials, you will need to locate 5 bosses instead of 3. So 2 from tier 1, 2 from tier 2, and still only 1 from tier 3. If you have encountered additional bosses, they can be randomly chosen as a tier 1, 2, or 3 boss during a trial. So I'm not going to go too in depth on how to actually do and play boss rush in this video. I just wanted to showcase how you could unlock it. So the base unlock method is by discovering 3 bosses, 1 from tier 1, another one from tier 2, and finally 1 from tier 3. And once you get inside, you will be able to choose between brutality, tactics, and survival in the form of 3 stat stones. Choosing one will automatically give you the relevant stats, and you will be supplied with 3 choices of relevant builds at the start of the trial in the form of tubes. Once a color is chosen, you won't be able to change the color, and you will only find items with that main stat color during the run. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.